So as you breathe in, you're rising up. Keep your head in between your arms. So your whole body is moving as one, all the way up. And then your head goes back again. Release your neck, open up your throat. Now, you're gonna bring your head all the way back up. You're gonna bring the back of your hands together, and you're gonna let your arms come out, make a straight line from fingertip to fingertip. And then turn your body to the left, towards me. Turn your body, arms extended, and then turn your hands towards me, and bend your arms, making right angles, coming into your Ka position. And then breathe in, exhale, and turn your head to your right. Let your head turn, opening up your neck, stimulating the glands and organs in your throat. As you breathe in, bring your head over your chest. As you exhale, look towards your left arm. Open up your neck, open up your shoulders. Bring your head back to the center. And as you breathe in, turn your whole body back to the front. Come back to the front, your whole body. And then slowly bring your hands back together, compressing the energy between your palms. Okay? So now from here, you're gonna take that right leg, you're gonna bend it, and you're gonna bend forward. Bring your chest down towards your thigh. Bring your hands you can bring your hands to your knee. Okay, you don't have to bend down all the way. Just bring your hands down to your knee, and then lift your body back up again, palms together. Come back up, straighten your legs, and then extend your arms up as you breathe in, letting your head go back. Release your neck and shoulders, and then bring your head up straight. Let the back of your hands come together, and then exhale your arms out, make a straight line, and then breathe in. And as you exhale, lower your arms all the way down to the side of your body. And then you're going to bend that right knee, and you're going to make your transition. Bring your left foot up next to your right foot smoothly, going into those balance centers in the brain. And exhale.